Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 8i, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and you should find a battery power saving mode somewhere right here, or overall in this panel. Now, as you can see, for me it's right over here. So to turn it on, all I need to do is tap on it, and there we go, it is now enabled. As you can see right here, it doesn't do much. The only difference you can see is in the battery. It does give like a orangish, yellowish kind of tint to it. It's not white as it was before. You can see it when I turn it on and off, or actually transparent in this case. So that's the only way you know that you have power saving mode enabled. Now additionally, to prolong your battery even further, you can do things that are completely outside of the power saving mode, which is things like, as an example, lowering your max brightness. Lowering by half will yield you about 3 hours of battery life, give or take. Then we have things like location. If you're not using it for GPS tracking, I would recommend disabling it. Additionally, Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you only use one of those, disable the other one that you don't use. This will again give you more battery life. And again, NFC, if it's enabled, disable it. So anyway, going back to the actual power saving mode, once you're done with it, I believe you can charge it to full to turn it off automatically, but you can also turn it off yourself by simply tapping on the toggle yourself. There we go. And now it's turned off. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.